I want to show you guys how I organize and declutter my room in such a small space. I like my room to be as clutter-free and spacious as possible because my room is so small. I think that having like a clutter-free room, especially in a small room like mine, is really important. I'm in the corner of my room right now and I just want to show you like the space of my room. It's very small, but I feel like it's just enough for me. But this is the overview of my room. So I have my bed here. My closet is that right there. I have my full-length mirror there, my door, and this is my desk and vanity area, and then I have another window right there. Okay, so let's just get started. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys like these types of more personal videos, and let's just get started. Okay, I'm gonna do a 360 and start off in this corner of my room. So when you first walk in, this is my door. On the top of my door, I just have this marble sort of crucifix, which I've had ever since I was little. And then I have these hooks on my door. I just store things like my purses down there. I have a camera bag, a jacket, and a scarf. Usually I have like my backpack on there if it's not really full, and I just love having storage on here so that I can kind of grab it and go. So this is my mirror. As of right now, it is not mounted to my wall. It's on this little box down there which just has like extra school supplies in it, but I really want to get it mounted to the wall. I just need to get some mounting stuff. I think that it would look so much like more put together if it was actually mounted on the wall. It's from IKEA. As a placeholder for right now, I have my studio light right there, and then I also have another one over here as a placeholder, but I'm thinking about getting like actual nice standing lamps, but they're kind of expensive to get 2 of them, so I just use that as kind of like a placeholder for right now. I also have lip balm up here from Vaseline, and I love that, and it's, oh my gosh, my shoes. I think it just looks a little bit weird on the box, but as for right now, I mean, it's working out perfectly fine. Okay, so here is my Alexa. Shh, Alexa. Okay, so here is my closet. It's very small, but it works for me. As you can tell, I don't have any clothes hung up right here because my dad needs to move my shelf up higher. So in the meantime, it's all like squished over here. So it's gonna be moved up higher, but as for right now, this is working for me. This is most of my winter clothes. I have some more winter clothes under my bed in a storage container, and then also my summer clothes in a container in my basement just to save storage in my closet. I have this little dresser in my closet here, and then I have some folded clothes up there. I got this little shelf for my shoes from Target, and this is just most of them. I have some like downstairs and stuff like that, but this is just the general amount that I have. I have some folded clothes over here, like sweaters and things like that, and then my old school backpack. So on top of the dresser, I actually have my microphone because I'm not using it for this video, but I have my daily perfume, which is from Victoria's Secret, and I have some deodorant here. I have a storage box, and then this little cardboard box here just has all of my belts in it. I have a pair of Bear Paws, and then over here is like all of my dresses, sweaters, just like nicer clothes that really does need to be hung up, and they're all like super squished back here. So moving over from there, I also have this window. These sheer polka dot curtains are from IKEA, and we just had a snowstorm, so that's really nice. This is my dresser. I only have one. I don't have one over there, but this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure this is from IKEA as well. A while back I painted it white. It used to be brown, but on top I have this lamp here that I don't even use. It's not even plugged in, but I have this alarm clock here, which is actually a light as well, and it can make like different colors, but it is a sunrise alarm clock, so it gradually gets brighter in light and wakes you up way better. I love using this. I also have this marble decal vinyl stuff on here. I used to have another desk with it on there as well, but I got rid of it, but I actually do really like it, and taking pictures on it, making it look like marble, is something that I do a lot. I have some water. I have this little mannequin thing that actually has needles in it. This is where I store my needles really awkwardly. I have this picture here, and back there is a Bob Ross chia pet. But inside the drawers I have like books, and then down here, oh yeah, I have some more books and like storage stuff down there as well. So then we move to my beautiful, gorgeous bed. So my bed is a queen-sized bed, and I got the frame and the bed from Amazon. My bedding is just this white, tuft, beautiful bedding, and I have a body pillow back there from Target. My sleeping pillow is right there. I have some more pillows. These are from Amazon as well. My friend Jenny got me that penguin for Christmas one year. I don't know where this pink blanket is from. I've had it ever since I was little, but this faux fur blanket is from Big Lots, I think. I absolutely love my bed. It is my favorite thing in my room. I don't have a headboard right now, so I use those Christmas lights, but for my birthday I'm definitely considering getting one. As you could tell, the wall color, this is my accent wall, so it's this really pretty light pink color. So over here in this little corner, I have my little body pillow thingy that I can use for if I'm sitting in my bed, and I also have my backpack. And then this shelf just has some fake plants from IKEA. I have this picture of Audrey Hepburn and Gregory Peck from the movie Roman Holiday. It is one of my favorite movies. I have my beautiful, fabulous, gorgeous Kermit plush, which you guys have seen in multiple videos. So moving over here, this area is my homework vanity area. So I use this desk as a vanity as well as like a homework desk. Over here I have this picture of Elvis. Above my desk I have these two pictures. The first one is Audrey Hepburn from the movie Breakfast at Tiffany's. This is such a classic picture of her. And then this picture right here is Saint Pope John Paul II. And no, Catholics do not worship popes. So then down here is all of my storage, and this is where most of the storage is in my room. So this first drawer has most of my makeup in it. I keep my everyday makeup on my desk, which I'll show you guys in a second. I keep most of my makeup on my desk, but this is the type of stuff that I use every once in a while. It's not really part of my everyday routine. So I have like eyeshadows over here, palettes right here, foundation, highlighter. This is more eyeshadow. We've got lip products and then backups back there. I also have a huge bucket of makeup that I really don't use in my bathroom storage because it's just way too much to have actually in my room, and I don't really use it that much anyways. And then this is where most of my jewelry is. The jewelry that I don't wear that much is in my bathroom storage because I don't want it in my room, but this is just like everyday type of stuff, like necklaces, bracelets, rings, all of that type of stuff. This is where most of my hair care stuff is that I use on the daily, like hairspray, hair ties, serums, stuff like that. This last storage is miscellaneous stuff that really doesn't have a home. But I have this basket that stands on here, and in here I just have cleaning supplies. So I have like rubbing alcohol, paper towels, garbage bags, and some all-purpose cleaners. Back there is a picture from when I was the lead in a musical, but I need to figure out a place to hang that up. This is the top of my desk. Over here I have this light, which is actually really bright, but this is from Target. I have this faux plant from IKEA, and I have my Amazon Alexa here that plays music and stuff like that, and I love that, but I kind of keep the plant hiding it. So this is where my daily makeup is. So I have concealer, mascara, one of these little jumbo sticks. I have like my eyebrow stuff, highlighter, all of the stuff that I use on a daily basis right here because this is where I do my makeup. This is where my brushes are, and then as you can tell, this container has pens and like school supplies. I have my ring here, and then this is my vanity mirror. But I really love this mirror, and it doesn't really take up too much space either. This one has two different compartments. In the back here I have like a mouse, my headphones, a little portable Bluetooth speaker, just kind of like random electronic type of things. And then this one has my wet brush, which is my all-time favorite brush, but this one just has sunglasses in it. I have so many sunglasses. So I have all of my sunglasses in here. I have so many, so this is where I keep them all. This is another studio light, which I'm just using as a placeholder to kind of like fill up the space, but I'm hoping to get like an actually nice floor lamp. So this completes my room tour. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. After I did my room makeover video. A lot of you guys were asking for like an actually in-depth room tour, and I'm happy that I was able to give it to you guys. If you guys like these types of videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give it a like, click the little thingy right there if you want to see my room makeover video, and then click like right down here if you want to subscribe to my channel. That would be really awesome. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye. See you.